Hello, I'm going to send you a video of the simple past. It's going to be like a review because we already checked that, yeah? So simple past. We use the simple past to talk about finished actions. So in the first part, we're going to work with the verb to be, simple past. That is was and were. Simple past with the verb to be is not using, yes, the auxiliary. You do not need to use the auxiliary. We're going to write some examples. It says here, the man was at the campsite yesterday. We use the expression of time yesterday at the end. So we have here, the man was at the campsite yesterday. Here is the verb to be, singular. So for the negative, we use the man wasn't or was not at the zoo yesterday, or we can write last week to use another expression of time. The man was not, was not. Then the question is the same mechanic that we check for the simple present. The only thing is that the verb to be moves to the very beginning of the question. It's the same as in the simple present. Was the man at the museum? At the museum, something is wrong. At the museum, yes, at the museum 2 days ago? Was the man at the museum 2 days ago? So we have was, the man. Man is singular. So what is the pronoun we use for the man? Yes, he, for the short answer, was. Yes, he was. Or negative, no, singular, he wasn't. Negative, no, he wasn't. Yeah. Let's write an example in plural, so we use where. We have the kids were in the car last night. The kids were in the car last night. That is in affirmative. In negative, the kids, plural, children, the kids weren't or were not in the bus yesterday. So we use were because it is plural. Was singular, were plural. And then the question, the same. Start with the verb to be. Were the kids in the house last month? Where the kids? Now, what pronoun is the kids? Yes, they, plural, the kids. Yes, they were. We use were here. Yes, they were. Or no, they weren't. Were. Negative, weren't. So this is for the verb to be that is not using auxiliary. Yes, and now I'm going to explain. Well, I'm going to give you just a couple of examples with different verbs.